Hey everyone, Luke here from Bedford Camera and Video, and today I've got Jimmy from Sony talking about the new Sony 200-600mm lens. So just tell me a little bit about this lens.
Hey Luke, so I've got the new 200-600mm super telephoto lens from Sony. This is our G series lens, and it's the first full frame native mirrorless super telephoto lens in the market right now, so we're really excited about that.
Okay, awesome. Something that I noticed right off the bat was the fact that this was a super short throw and it didn't extend out of the lens at all when you zoomed it.
Yes, so the design of this lens is really cool because it keeps the weight and also just the size of it down and centered for the photographer. And the zoom is internal, which is really nice. And that throw from 200 to 600 is less than 90 degrees.
Okay, so that's something that'll be super helpful with someone with smaller hands or can't really rotate over all the way. That'll be a great
and
feature
quick
for them.
to zoom in and out based off their subject and what they're interacting with.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So what other kind of features can you tell me about this lens so far?
So what's really cool about this lens, at 600 millimeters, it has a minimum focus distance of just under 8 feet.
8 feet. Okay, wow.
Yeah, so you can do some really cool macro landscape or just really tight shots with this camera and lens combination, especially for birds.
Right.
Yeah.
And you know, that's definitely something really cool for a lot of wildlife or nature photographers that I've talked to. They say that when they're shooting out and they're trying to get a really nice shot from way off in the distance, something happens so close to them. This will allow them to just zoom out to 200, get that shot and be ready to go.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
Plus, paired with the 11 aperture blades, it's going to give you a really nice defocused background while giving some separation to your foreground with that minimum focus distance.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. So who is this lens designed for?
Being a super telephoto lens, we're definitely going to be approaching and seeing a lot of users from the sports and wildlife photographers, anybody who needs that extra reach, obviously some bird, nature.
Okay, fantastic. So what's the price point on this lens?
The price point on this lens is just under $2,000 here in the United States.
Okay, fantastic. All right. So this lens is not out yet. It is on pre-order though. So go ahead and check out bedfords.com for that or go into your local store. We are offering free overnight shipping for all pre-orders on this lens. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our page. Like I said, my name's Luke from Bedford Camera and Video, and this is Jimmy from Sony, and we'll catch you next time.